Okay. Hey guys, I didn't see you there. Welcome back to another edition of Big Daddy's Little Kitchen. Straight from our garden, these things were getting eaten alive by bugs. So I thought, what better opportunity than to share a recipe for fried green tomatoes. This was made popular by a 1990s movie with the very same title, Fried Green Tomatoes at the Whistle Stop Cafe. I had the opportunity of eating there many years ago, and I can tell you this, the people were friendly, the tomatoes were absolutely delicious, and today I'm going to share this recipe. It goes great as an appetizer, great as a side, and if you really love tomatoes, it'd be great as an entree. Stick around, don't go anywhere. When we come back, I'm going to show you how I do it next. So let's go ahead and continue slicing these down, and we'll get them to where they're about 1/4 of an inch. And we don't want to be wasteful, but we've got so many green tomatoes that we can really start chopping these. We're going to let them sit for a few minutes. Guys, now that we've got our tomatoes all sliced thin, about 1/4 of an inch, what I'm going to do is I'm going to place them on a tray. We're going to blot them dry, and after we blot them dry, we're going to pop a little salt on top of these, and I'll use a nice kosher salt. This will both give it a little bit of more flavor, but it's also going to help dry these tomatoes out a little bit with the salt. Stick around, I'll show you how to do it. Put these on a rack. Okay guys, so while the tomatoes are drying off, and I leave them usually 15-20 minutes on a paper towel with a little bit of salt, a little kosher salt sprinkled on them. Let them dry off for a few minutes. They'll be a lot better if they're a little firm when we start frying them so they don't fall apart. Next thing I'm going to make is a sauce to go with these fried green tomatoes. You can either make an aioli, or if you just like ketchup on it, or whatever you like. Today I'm going to make an easy remoulade sauce. You're going to basically get a few spoons of mayo in a bowl, and then I use a little bit of a stone ground mustard with a Dijon mustard, and I'm going to go ahead and add that in as well, just a little bit like so. From here, we're going to go ahead and pop in a little bit of lemon juice. I like that. And we're going to give everything a stir. I'm going to stir them around. There we go. Yeah. Crack a couple eggs over here.